Good morning children. So today we are going to complete our fractions, additions and subtractions. So everyone open your textbook page number 89 and there the last section about the simplification of fractions is there, additions and subtractions that we have to do now. So everyone open your classworks. I think previous homework everyone have completed. So now page number 89, simplify. Only one Roman is the children. Simplify. First Roman. Okay, simplify. In this simplification, the first one will be 13 by 17 minus 5 by 17 plus 1 by 17. So here, three fractions are there. One is related to the subtraction, one is related to the addition, but three are having the same denominators. Okay, so how to do this? First, you have to write all 13 by 7 minus 5 by 7 plus 17 plus 1 by 17. So as the denominators are same, write the 17 same. Okay, next 13 minus 5 plus 1. So first what you have to do means, as here there is this 13 and 1, these two you have to add, because before the 13 other symbol means it is related to the addition. So 13 plus 1 minus 5 by 17. It means 14 minus 5 by 17. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9 by 17. That is the answer. Okay, whenever you should not do 13 minus 5 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. That is also you can do, but first of all plus and plus have to add, then minus have to do. Okay, and if all the minus are there, means what you have to do means, first of all you have to add the symbols which are in the minus position. So after that you have to subtract from the number. Okay, the next page, same D1. D. Everyone can copy the D. In the D sum, it is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. Okay, so same. What you have to do? Take the LCM of this all the number children. So write 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. If you take the LCM, you will be getting the answer 3, 5, 7. As 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers, directly you can multiply. So 3 5s are 15 into 7. 7 5s are 35 and 10. 105 is the denominator. Right? 105 as a denominator. In 3 table 105 is divided how many times? How many times means 35 times. Okay, 35 times. So write 35 into 2 plus in 5 table 105 will be divide 21 times. 21 into 3 plus in 7 table already we know that 15 times. So 15 into 2. Now multiply this all 35. Sorry, here it will be minus, no? Minus. So 35 into 2 is equal to 70 plus 21 into 3 63 minus 15 2s are 30 by 105. Okay, now add these two. If you add these two, why I am saying to add these two means this is plus and this is also plus. Okay, if you add these two, you will be getting 133 minus 30 by 105. And the answer you will be getting 103 by 105. Okay, like this how to do the D1. And last will be section G. G, it is in a mixed fraction children. It is in a mixed fraction form that you have to complete it. How to do in a mixed fraction form? G. 4 2 by 3 minus 1 2 by 3 minus 2 1 by 3. Okay. convert this all mixed fraction into proper fractions. So if you convert into mixed fraction into proper fraction, you will improper fraction, you will be getting 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 by 3 minus 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 3. If you observe here, all minus symbol only is the children. Okay, and the denominators are same. So write the denominator 3 and 14 minus 5 minus 7. So here what you have to do is this minus 5 and minus 7, these two you have to do the addition. After adding, you have to put the minus symbol, because here there is some operations, minus into minus you will be get plus. Okay, minus into minus is equal to plus. So 14 after minus 5 and minus 7. If you add these two, 14 minus 12 by 3. From 14 if you subtract 12, you will be getting 2 by 3. This is the answer. Okay, so based on this example, based on this concept, you have to complete remaining sums. By this section, we completed 9th chapter, children.